Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your password on CLV Wallet application. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch open the CLV Wallet app on your mobile device and log into your wallet like you normally do. Tap on the unlock button in order to unlock your wallet first, and once you are inside the main home page, tap on the settings icon at the bottom right hand corner. Under the settings menu, tap on change password. Now, in the first text box, you will need to type in your current password for your wallet. Once you are done, go to the next field and type in the new password you would want to change to. After you are done, retype in the password one more time in the last field and finally tap on change password. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your CLV Wallet password. Next time you log into your account, you will need to enter the newly created password. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.